I decided to do a spring makeup tutorial. Now, mind you, of course, you can do this on the other eye and just wear it, you know, out for an event or anything. But I did this for the effect. And I just wanted to turn my eye into a rose. So if you want to know how to get this rose makeup look, just keep watching. Using my Gimme Butterflies palette from ColourPop as my transition shade, I'm going to use the color Making Moves. This is more of a hot coral color, and I'm going to apply it above the crease and on the outer portion above the lid and blend it down into the crease. I could find a way to break through, a way to break through. The color I'm using to darken my crease is called Bloomin'. It is a dark plum color and it has little glitters in it that are like green and gold. To add more of the color underneath my brow, I'm just adding more of the color Making Moves. Now I am going to cut my whole crease. I'm not doing a half cut crease, I'm doing a full cut crease. And I'm using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer for this. The color I'm packing on my concealer is the color Winged. It's like a icy hot pink color. Because it's hot pink but it has gold glitter in it, so the color shifts. Can we make a move? Overthinking, you and I. What do we have? Now going above the cut crease, I am outlining it with a concealer again. And then I'm going to go on top of that concealer and I'm going to pack on the color You're a Catch. This is an icy cream white color in the palette. I could find a way to break through, a way to break through. A way to break through. I could find a way to break through. Now to create the wing, we're gonna use a brown liner. We're going to use Aurora eyeliner pen in Espresso. Our bottom lids, we're just going in with the color Making Moves. I'm wasting all my time thinking of the things we could. Then just go with any nude shade that goes with your skin tone under your brow bone just to lighten it and blend it in with the transition shade so it can fade. A way to break through. Blush, I'm going to use the color Making Moves again from the palette, but I'm going to apply it to my cheeks and I'm going to drag it up and apply it on the sides of my temples. A way to break through. highlight, I'm using the Smashbox Vlada Petal Metal Highlighter. This color is an icy rose gold color. I want to make my face look like a light pink, like more like refreshing and glowing, because I want the focus to really be the eyes.
'Cause I'm wasting all my time thinking of the things we could do. If you gave me one more sign, I could find a way to break through, a way to break through. Ooh, 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 a way to break through.
In the inner corner of my eye, I am using a little bit of lash glue, and then I'm going to pack on the color Get Lost. It is a pressed glitter, and the glitter is big chunks of glitter and little glitters that are gold, purple, green, orange. It just shifts around, and I'm going to pack that in the inner corner for dramatic effect. To the waterline, I'm applying the NYX Extreme Shine Eyeliner in Pure White. I find this liner to be a little sheer, so I liked it because it made your eyes look more whiter while not being too pigmented and extreme, because although I want the eyes to be extreme, I don't want the liner to be the focus of the look. I'm also going to apply it to my other eye, even though we haven't put anything on that yet. After this, just put on mascara. I didn't record that part, but the mascara I used was the Thrive Causemetics Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. Now I'm going to use the NYX Powder Puff Lipstick in Cool Toned Plum. I'm going to mostly apply it to the middle to create that gradient look, and then I'm going to slowly spread it out towards the edge of my lip, and I'm going to reapply until I find exactly how I want it to look. I still want the middle to be the darkest, but I do want color all around my lip. Then just apply a little bit of the rose gold highlighter to the center of your lips. So now I'm applying the eyelash glue. I'm starting off under my brow bone. So the artificial rose petals I've cut the petals apart, and I'm going to glue it on my face, going around with the biggest to the smallest pieces. Now do not cut them off like this. The edge was bothering me, and I should have done this beforehand, but do not do it how I do it. If anything, just put it against your face and see where you need to snip it off beforehand and then glue it on. Please do not follow how I did here. After this, I ended up just trimming them ahead of time. I was lucky to not cut anything, but you just never know, so please do not do this at home. So we're going to keep gluing the biggest petals around. So of course on the first one I'm doing 4, and then the gaps in between for the next layer is where I'm going to fill in the next petals, and you'll see as we go along how each petal is going between the gaps, but we're going to go closer to around our eye. So eventually you'll see that we glue closer to our line, but do not touch the waterline, and we're going to go right above our lid and the crease, because we want the eye to be the center of the flower, but we also don't want a crazy amount of skin showing in the flower, because we want our eye to be the main piece within the flower. at some points using a brush for the glue helps get into those harder inner corners of your eyes that you couldn't reach. Just know after this part, if you want to spray your face, I use a lavender facial spray just to make it more dewy and glowy. And this is our complete look.
I'm wasting all my time thinking of
It's spring, and although we're quarantined, I'm trying to make the best of it during this good weather that we're mostly indoors. It's driving me crazy. I was inspired by the outdoors that I miss. So if you like this makeup tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a new video, you will know. I hope to see y'all soon.